Meaning of firecracker.
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 Firecracker. A firecracker is a small explosive device that produces a loud bang and bright flashes of light when ignited. It typically consists of a small amount of explosive powder encased in paper or cardboard, with a fuse for ignition. Firecrackers are often used in celebrations and festivals around the world, particularly in China during Chinese New Year. They can also be used recreationally, although this is often illegal and dangerous. The loud noise and bright light produced by firecrackers can be exciting and entertaining, but they can also be dangerous if not handled properly.